Good morning, everybody. Hold on, need a little fogged up. Good morning. Got in the car and I touched that damn thing. This shit fucking hurt. Hope you guys having a good day. I'm gonna go check out some stuff today. But yeah, it's hot outside. It's 90 degrees. Sounds like a blast, right? And this thing is still fogging up. Yeah, I'm going to Best Buy. Let's get it. Okay, Best Buy, you fucking suck. They don't even have DSLRs and Sony's here. That's a bunch of BS. But it's whatever. That means I have to go all the way to Columbia someday when I have some pocket money, some pocket change. But it's whatever, you know. Because Columbia, St. Louis, wherever, they had a lot of freaking drones, but those were like $1,000 a pop. Yeah, I'll need shit out of $1,000 on something to fly. If I ever got to put out $1,000, I'd probably put towards a camper or something, but it's alright. Let's listen to some more Florida Georgia Line today. Holy crap-a-moly. Ugh. I seriously, I took a break outside mowing grass and it looks like I peed my pants. I peed my pants? What the fuck? Never again. I honestly hate mowing grass. I'd rather pay somebody 20 bucks to do it. This all, like, I don't mind getting dirty, it's just pain in the ass. I fucking hate it. But I'm about to hop in the shower. So let's get it, right? Oh, fresh and clean now. And now I'm about to go downstairs to eat with the family. They're eating without me. What the fuck? It's not a big deal, but I feel 100 times better for reals. The fuck you doing?
Nothing. What are you doing?
I'm not doing a damn thing. There's no smoke protector up here. There's one down there. I did not do anything.
Who are you, James?
You just came out of his room.
I seriously just came out of my room. I grabbed the camera. I was like, what the hell are you doing? So, deal with that. Probably needs a new battery.
That's too tall for me.
God damn it. Hold this. No! No, I'll take it. Too tall for you? Here you go. Go set it up. I'll blow up there and do it.
You liar.
I swear, I promise. I got it on video, I promise. We have a, what is that, a D battery? Hold that up there. So if I bust my ass, we can catch it on film. Ow, shit! Hey, shut up! Wait, I'll just pull this out right here. Can't I just hit my face? How the fuck you take this thing out? Turn it off.
I don't know. I don't push this in.
Yeah, push it in. Hit the button. It's going.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I just did. Just changed the battery. Why? You done? You done yelling? Okay, good. I was, like I said, I was just sitting there watching a YouTube video. All of a sudden, beep. I was like, oh shit, the house is on fire. Grabbed the camera. I was like, oh shit. But yeah, changed battery. That was it. So, I'm gonna wrap up this video. It's like 5:30. What the hell? 9:30. Yeah. Yesterday's video. Go check it out. Go check out the videos in the over there, the eye in the sky, or whatever it's called. I'm gonna try to hit the hay early tonight. I'm going swimming. Oh, I fucking broke my GoPro. Look at this. Let it freaking focus, you piece of shit. See that? Let's unplug that. I didn't really break it, it just cracked. But yeah, it's like that say it won't turn on, but look. You can still see, like right there, it's video. But I don't know. Shit happens, right? But if you all like this video, please give it a big old fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for future content. Twitter, Instagram links are always in the description. Shut up, phone. Don't forget to turn on my post notifications. You guys don't miss a vlog, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.